Oh my goodness, traders. Stock market is about to have a bit of a movement on the downside. Mining stocks and crypto are having a boom, and then the crypto market is having a crash. All this sort of stuff is happening right now. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, before I just start, if you need my help, very first thing in the description, go get access to my trading system. I'm actually teaching you it for free. So very first thing in the description, guys, go get access to that right now. Now, let's actually talk about this here. Traders, there's a few things that I've been saying over the last week. And some of you little bumblebees in the chat box, that's right, the little bumblebees in the chat box have been giving me a hard time because I've been saying, get ready for an upward move coming out of the metals and miners. Get ready for a downward move coming in the crypto market, etc., 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 right? So, and again, for you guys been watching for this whole week, you guys can back that up, right? So I've been watching for this. I even talked about gold yesterday, like get ready for a big move in gold. We're gonna have a nice big move up. And I talked about that in yesterday's video. So we can see here on the Dow Jones, in the Dow Jones chart, look what's happening through here. We had a rally back up, and now we had a down move and a little upward move. I would not be too excited about this one here, guys, right? We're right at this level of resistance, but again, the Dow Jones is very strong like bull, so I wouldn't be too happy about that one. Moving on to the S&P 500, and look what's happening. We are still at that triangle. Look at this here. We're still at this triangle pattern. Where does it break? Where does it break? Where does it break? Now, I am looking at this level through here on the S&P, and I can see that 3,800 level, possibly even a bit lower. This whole area through here, really, yeah, it's probably a bit lower than that. So my key area through here I'm looking at is that 3,750. If indeed we do start to see something like this, right, like that, then guess what? We're probably going to start to see a movement on the downside, at least coming back down towards these lower levels through here. So that's what I'm looking forward of looking at the S&P 500 on those charts through there, as you can see, right from there. Looking at the Nasdaq as well too. The Nasdaq is the weakest one out of the whole lot of them. We're just having a little pullback through here. But we are definitely, once we break this level through here, traders, oh my goodness, once we break this level through here, look at this. Where's support? Support. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Oh, you're down there. Oh, that's right. You're down there at 7,000. So, oh my goodness, we could be getting this a capitulation, especially in a capitulation in the Nasdaq could be getting ready for, we could be getting ready for that, right? Look at this hourly chart. This is the hourly chart, right? And there's a couple of different rules that I really want you to focus on. Firstly, the trend. What's the trend? Secondly, trade after a pullback, right? So as you can see here, trend, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. Right? Wait for a pullback, enter here. Wait for a pullback, enter here, right? Downward trend, down, 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 downward trend, down, pullback, enter here. Down, pullback, enter here. You get the point, right? So look at this here, down, pullback. If we get something like that, we're probably going to see a really flushing movement coming. So there's a capitulation movement, I believe, coming in the tech sector. They're coming real soon through here. So that's what I'm looking at through there. Also looking at gold right now, and I talked about gold yesterday. I said, traders, look at this. And I talked about this hourly chart. I'm like, we're getting ready for a very big move coming in gold, so get ready for it. And then I also talked about having a target up there of 1,725. We almost got there today. We're probably going to get there real soon, I would say. If I have a look at the 1 minute chart. Yeah, we're probably going to start to get there real soon. But we definitely got there we definitely had that move. I was talking about that in yesterday's video, and we definitely got that through there. Even silver, look at silver. Silver had a very nice little breakaway. Silver had a really good, look at this here, right? Had a nice move up, had this nice sideways movement, and then a breakaway. So really nice. Just really nice through there. Even the mining sector, look at this mining sector have a really big move, right? Really good move in the breakaway bar. You guys know I've been talking about for the last week or two that traders, I don't know why, but I'm starting to see a lot of bottoming formations amongst the metals and miners. This bottoming formation that I'm seeing is we're probably likely to start to see a bit of a rally in the mining sector, and that's exactly what's been happening, right? GDX as well too. Beautiful. Look at this here. GDX up almost 6% today, which is pretty cool actually. GDX, as you can see there from there. SILJ, as you can see, really nice little breakaway. So the mining sector is getting a movement to the upside. Now, here's a bit of caveat on the mining sector. Yes, the mining sector, we are getting a movement to the upside, but the overall trend hasn't changed yet, okay? The overall trend hasn't changed yet. So we need to see some really good buying strength for that overall trend. What I'm talking about here is possibly just a little upward move from here, right? Possibly just a little upward move from here, and then we may see something like that again, right? So we just really need to keep an eye out for that for when it comes to the mining sector. Now, let's go have a good look at the good old crypto market, right? I've been talking out for the last couple of days, guys, about the crypto market, and look at the crypto market. Absolutely starting to get demolished. Big breakdown bar. And I've been saying, guys, nothing has changed. And I tell you what, I've definitely got some bumblebees in the chat box telling me that I had no idea what I was talking about, that this is the bottom in the crypto market and blah, 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 right? Really? No, right? Read the markets, guys. Read the market. The trend is your friend until the end, right? And this is where a lot of you guys, and even look at even Ethereum. Ethereum got absolutely destroyed today. Big move down from Ethereum. There could have been possibly a trade here happening on Ethereum. Look at that. Look at that. Private traders, my private clients. Look at this. Look at that. For my private clients, look at this here. Down, up, large bar. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that sexy beast. Private clients, you know exactly what I'm talking about, right? Look at that. Come on. You can't beat it. I had the best trading system on the planet. And again, for you guys who have no idea what I'm talking about, go check out that free training that I've got a link in the description. You'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. So, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All right, I'm looking at the 15-minute chart now. Look at that. Look at Bitcoin. Oh my goodness. Can you get any more sexier than that? Oh my goodness. Look at this here. Nice move down, a nice pullback. What did I say, guys? What did I say? Trend, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Wait for a pullback, enter after the pullback, and then away we go. Look at that. That was a beautiful short-term trade. What was that? Last night. 3 o'clock in the morning. Oh my goodness. Look at, oh my goodness. Private clients. There's plenty of trades there. Anyway, guys. If you need a really good high probability trading system, you need to check out my stuff right now. I promise you're going to be blown away. If you suck right now at trading, you need my help. Okay. So we're getting a lot of breakthroughs from there, from that there. Also, traders, last thing I really want to finish off with, guys, is that it's as I talk about today, right? It's so important that you know exactly what goes into a really good quality setup, right? If you do need my help, very first thing in the description, click on that, go check it out, right? You need to understand a good trading system, because right now, more than ever, right? I was talking with some of my private clients today, guys. There are so many really good quality setups setting up, getting ready for my entry bar. And you need to know exactly what you're looking for, because the rest of this year could be an incredible finish to the end of the year for you, right? Could be an incredible finish to the end of the year for you. And we need to, and if you really want to become good at trading, your foundation to your success is what exactly are you looking for? And are you confident with your setup? See, for me, I was showing you just a minute ago, right? It's like, oh my goodness, guys, there's so many really good quality setups that are happening right now in this market, and we just need to be present, and we need to know exactly what we're looking for, because they're coming, guys, okay? They're coming. And it also comes back down to really simple analysis. You can see exactly what I talked about with the stock market. You see exactly what I've been saying with gold and silver, and we had that big movement to the upside with gold and silver. I've been saying that. I've been saying get ready for another big movement on the downside of the crypto markets. I've been saying that. Once you start to really master the stuff that I teach you guys will become super traders. Traders, I want to invite you to my webinar that I'm running today. And on this webinar, I'm going to share with you all the details to my #1 trading system for the last 17 years and how I only trade 1 hour per day. Plus, also going to be learning the 3 secrets that I had to master over the last 17 years to generate a really good income. If you go to johnsfreetraining.com, or there should be a link in the description, click on that. Go over there right now, register. If you are struggling with the trading right now, I promise you this is going to completely game change, because you're going to understand why you are going backwards and why you're losing money. And then I'm going to teach you exactly what the system I use that gets me a really high % win-loss ratio. So this is what I want you to do right now. Go to johnsfreetraining.com. Go over there, register for my webinar right now today, because you're going to absolutely love it. Or there should be a link in the description. And I look forward to seeing you on the webinar. So go to that right now, and I look forward to seeing you on my next webinar. Go to that right now. Go to johnsfreetraining.com. Go to that right now.